In this lesson, we are making a classic sweet pierogi filling with farmer's cheese, a cheese known in Poland as twaróg. It's a fresh, dry cheese, similar to cottage cheese, but without the liquid. The filling is simple, creamy, and holds together really well, which makes pierogi easy to shape and seal. Let's get started. Here's what we are using for this filling: farmer's cheese, sugar, salt, vanilla extract, and an egg. If you're not sure whether what you got is farmer's cheese, here's what mine looks like once it's mashed. See, it's quite dry. Now, onto the filling. Start by putting the farmer's cheese, sugar, salt, and vanilla into a medium bowl. Mash these together with a fork until everything is well combined. Now, the important part. Taste it. Is it sweet enough? Does it need more vanilla? Or maybe just a touch more salt? Stir in whatever is needed now and taste again. Once you're happy with the flavor, stir in the egg. It helps bind the filling so it stays cohesive inside the pierogi. You can also use 2 egg yolks instead of a whole egg for a richer flavor. Once mixed, the filling should be fairly smooth and hold together when you scoop it, but still spread easily on its own. You can use it right away or refrigerate it for up to 2 or 3 days before filling your pierogi.